Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Granny game cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Among the 7 options, select manage apps. In the search bar, type in Granny and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then select Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.